The Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors is an independent, representative professional body which regulates construction and property professionals in the United Kingdom and other countries around the world. Members and fellows of MRICS are entitled to describe themselves as Chartered Surveyors and use post-nominal letters MRICS and FRICS after their names. MRICS provides education and training standards, protects consumers with strict codes of practice and advises governments and business. MRICS provides expertise in matters involving fixed assets, including but not limited to land and real property. History: the institution was founded in London as the Institution of Surveyors after a meeting of 49 surveyors at the Westminster Palace Hotel on June 15, 1868. The inaugural president was John Clutton. MRICS has occupied headquarters on the corner of Great George Street and Parliament Square since then. The institution received its royal charter as the Surveyors Institution on August 26, 1881. In 1921, it was granted royal patronage by George V. The Surveyors Institution became the Chartered Surveyors Institution in 1930. In 1946, the institution became a royal institution entitled to use royal in its name. At this time the current name was adopted. Currently it trades as a limited liability company and it has a number of subsidiary companies through which it trades. Global spread: MRICS is headquartered in London with 14 regional offices in the United Kingdom. In 2009, MRICS was represented or had affiliates in more than 146 countries and had a worldwide membership of more than 159,000. The majority of members are still based in the United Kingdom, but there is now a strong international membership in Commonwealth countries such as Canada, Hong Kong and Australia, and membership is growing rapidly in the United States and across Europe, Asia, Middle East and North Africa and India. The MRICS has close links with national surveying institutions and is a member association of the International Federation of Surveyors. MRICS in Europe. Based in Brussels since 1993, the European headquarters has offices and staff around continental Europe. MRICS Europe is growing throughout Europe, from France to Russia, Central and Eastern Europe to the Nordic region, the Baltics to Turkey. As at August 2009, MRICS Europe had 8,507 members in continental Europe, spread over the different categories of membership. 3,881 qualified members. These members can add the letters a MRICS, a unregistered trademark or a FRICS, a unregistered trademark after their name. 1,523 MRICS trainees, potential members who are preparing for their APC final assessment. 3,103 MRICS students, professionals who are studying on an MRICS accredited degree, combining global and local support to members. MRICS Europe works to raise the status of the chartered surveying profession in European markets, establish high educational and professional standards across Europe, represent the profession within the European institutions, provide expert policy advice on European property and built environment issues. The MRICS Europe Board meets 3 times per year to discuss the European strategy, monitor progress against plan and discuss member growth and retention activities. The board is composed of MRICS members. Membership: entry to membership of the MRICS is via 4 main routes: academic, graduate, technical, and senior professional. The MRICS has links with universities worldwide, with whom they have accredited approved courses which satisfy part of the qualification requirements to become trainee surveyors. The MRICS also offers expedited routes to membership for qualified professional members of some partner associations. Members must update their knowledge and competence during their working life through MRICS continuous professional development regulations, so the advice they give will be of the highest and most professional standard. Designations: associate members may use ASOC MRICS after their names. Professional members may use MRICS after their names. Fellows may use FRICS after their names. Professional members and fellows of the MRICS are entitled to use the designation Chartered Surveyor, and variations such as Chartered Building Surveyor, or Chartered Quantity Surveyor depending on their chosen specialist qualifications and field of expertise. For example, not all RICS members who undertake building surveys are actually Chartered Building Surveyors. Professional groups of the RICS, expertise. The expertise of RICS members covers all property and construction-related activities. Activities in which members may be specialists include licensed property, land surveying, property transactions, estate agency, development appraisal, investment advice, property fund management, real estate appraisal, property valuation surveying, auctioneering, building surveying, facilities management, mineral surveying, project management, construction cost management, quantity surveying, party wall surveying, dispute resolution, management consulting, antiques and fine art, property agency, property development and regeneration, property taxation, housing management and development. RICS also has specialist designations such as Chartered Building Surveyor and Chartered Quantity Surveyor, Chartered Taxation Surveyor etc. and these members have to have undertaken a specific specialist route for qualification and membership. Confusingly for the public, any member of the RICS may describe themselves as a Chartered Surveyor and by giving themselves a description such as building pathologist may offer a building surveying service. RICS Shop is the commercial publishing and book-selling arm of the RICS. They publish materials regarding building surveying, commercial property, construction, dispute resolution, environment, facilities management, geomatics, machinery and business assets, management consultancy, minerals and waste management, planning and development, project management, residential property, rural, and valuation. RICS Shop satisfies the needs of the property, land and construction industry. Past presidents. Recent past presidents have included Jonathan David Harris OBE, Peter Ralph Faulkner, Peter William Fall, Nick Brooke, Barry Gilbertson, Steve Williams, Graham Chase, David Tuffin, Peter Goodacre, Max Crofts and Robert Pito. A full list of past presidents. RICS Matrics. The junior branch of the RICS is known as RICS Matrics. 1. Established in 1889 as the Junior Committee, becoming the junior organization in 1928 and rebranded to RICS Matrix in 2003, Matrix is pronounced Matrix, which means network. RICS Matrix is focused on providing educational support, charitable and social networking activities for surveying students, trainee surveyors and chartered surveyors with 10 years or less post-qualification. RICS Matrix comprises about 35 local groups across the UK, feeding into a regional and national structure and also exists in Australia, Hong Kong and the UAE. It also has links with the Young Chartered Surveyors in the Republic of Ireland. BCIS. BCIS is the Building Cost Information Service of RICS. Established in 1962, BCIS provides independent cost information about the built environment. BCIS pioneered elemental cost planning in the early 1960s, which is now the basis of early cost advice in the construction industry today. The organization holds the largest independent database of cost plans in elemental form. As well as undertaking research contracts for government, they provide online and paper services regarding building costs, occupancy costs, rebuilding costs, construction duration, repair costs, construction inflation, civil engineering costs, and estimating. Lionheart is the benevolent fund for past and present RICS members and their families. The charity was established in 1899 to provide financial, counseling and befriending support. See also, Chartered Surveyors in the United Kingdom, Construction Industry Council, International Valuation Standards Committee, of which the RICS is a founding member. RICS Americas, Chartered Institute of Building, a sister professional body within the built environment. Notes and references. Notes. References. External links. RICS website, RICS shop, interview with RICS past President Peter Goodacre 2009, Lionheart website